Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, very quickly, we'll be looking at the pentatonic scale. And then your pentatonic scale is simply a scale in music that can be used in any kind of music and any instrument, be it keyboard, guitar, or bass. Okay, and it is widely used and commonly used in every style of music. Okay, so pentatonic scale, let me explain it. Pentatonic scale is simply a 5-note scale. Okay, so we'll be on the key of F today. We'll be on the key of F today, and then our pentatonic scale is made up of 5 notes, which is your 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6. Okay, and then you can repeat them in different octave. And then another thing to consider pardon me, another thing to consider is when learning the pentatonic scale, you have to do some exercises, finger exercises, that will help you get familiar with the scale and how to apply them. Okay, so like I said, in any key, let's take G for example. Your pentatonic scale is made up of your 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6. Let's take another key, A flat. Your pentatonic scale is made up of your 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6. Okay, so we are going to be using F today. Okay, so on C is going to be O. Okay, and the exercises I'm going to give us are going to be 3 different exercises that will help us and put us in the right track to master this pentatonic scale. I'm sure some of you have heard of this pentatonic, but then you don't know what it is, how to use them. Stick around and we'll learn how to make use of the pentatonic scale. Okay, so the first exercise I'll give us is simply running the scale up and down in 1 octave. That is going to be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Then repeat this and then take it back. So very simple. Okay, that's the first exercise, just 1 octave, and then when you get familiar with it, you can take it to different octave. Now the next exercise is going to be running it downward. Okay, so if you're running your pentatonic scale downward, you can begin from your 1 or anywhere. Well, let's begin from our 1. So it's going to be okay. Okay, you can begin from your 2. Okay, so from anywhere you want to start, anywhere you want to start from, is the scale. Okay, then the third exercise I'm going to give is running them in 3s. Okay, so that is going to be 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 5. You understand? Okay, and then when you are familiar with it, when your hand are flexible enough to move, then you can reverse it. Those are the 3 exercises I'll give us, and then I will add one more. I did a tutorial on that a long time ago, and then you're going to be playing your pentatonic in 4th, which is, and I give something like this. To return it, or rather reverse it, you can equally do that. Okay, so let's talk about the application of pentatonic scale. Let's take a chord progression or a song, Jehovah. Okay, one thing you should know about the pentatonic is that for every chord you play, the 5 of your pentatonic will always go. Okay, so if I'm playing F, my 5 is my C, so I can decide to play my pentatonic scale of C major on my 1, or rather my chord. Okay, let's say we're going to our 4 now, which is B flat. Our 5 is F, so I can decide to run my F sharp pentatonic scale on B flat. Okay, so Jehovah, you are the most high. Jehovah, you are the most high God. You are the most high. You see? You are the most high God. Okay, so on my 4, I just simply and then resolved it here to match with my 1. Okay, so let's say there's this ending of song they use, this chord to end song, something like, okay, now we can equally apply our pentatonic there. So let's say we have our A major 7, okay, and then we're playing our B 7th, sorry, B flat 7th, okay, to our C. Now we are in the key of C. So from this to this to this, so okay, so this will be all for today, because I don't want the video to be too lengthy. Okay, I'm monitoring the time, and like I said, your pentatonic scale is made up of your 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6, and then I give us 2 exercises, or rather 4 exercises, and then I have given us where and when to apply our pentatonic scale. Okay, so just a little encouragement: anything that seems difficult in music, you just need a little more practice and you get it. Okay, so thank you, and please, if you have learned something, just do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button, liking the video. That's all I just need from you. Thank you for good viewing, and remain blessed. Keep practicing. Peace.